Today I'm going to do a tutorial on how to stand a 8-foot noble fir tree. First thing we do, we got to make sure the tree is even. The tip's got to be level. Just got to go down a little bit there. There you go. So we're going to use these water bows from Purcell. Right down the middle, we just punch the nail in. This bow acts as a gasket. Once it hits the bottom of the tree, it'll seal so the water won't leak. So what we do is run our 40 penny nail down the middle. Slammed out. Now we're going to use 3 30D nails. Okay, we do it just like the 5 on the dice. 5 on the die. Let's do that. 1 in the middle and 4 around it. Okay, now we're going to stand it up. Do it straight. There it is there. That's how you do it. Now I'm going to show you guys how to make a stand out of some 2x4s. Thanks for watching my tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and like.